Exercise 7.3, question number 3. Two sides AB and BC and median AM of triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ, QR and median PN of triangle PQR as shown in this figure. So that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN, and also prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So let's prove this question. In this given figure, ABC and PQR are two triangles. AM and PN are medians. AB is given equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and we have to prove that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. So let us write given. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AM is equal to PN. AM is median of triangle ABC and PN is median of triangle PQR. We have to prove that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN, and we have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Let's prove this question. AN and PN are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. Therefore, BM is equal to half BC and QN is equal to half QR, but BC is equal to QR. It is given. Therefore, BM is equal to QN. Now, in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, AB is equal to PQ, given BM is equal to QN, proved AM is equal to PN, this is also given. Therefore, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN by side congruence rule. Now second part. Triangle ABM is proved congruent to triangle PQN. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle Q, and this is by CP, CT, because they are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have AB is equal to PQ given, BC or angle B is equal to angle C proved above. BC is equal to QR also given. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by side angle side congruence rule, hence proved. Question number 4. BE and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. Using RHS congruence rule, prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So in this figure, BE and CF are two equal altitudes drawn to sides AC and AB of triangle ABC. We have to prove that this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So let's write given. BE is equal to CF. BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. We have to prove that triangle ABC is isosceles. That is, we have to prove that AB is equal to AC. Let's prove this question. In triangle BEC, and triangle CFB, we have angle BEC is equal to angle CFB 90 degree each, because BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. BC is equal to CB, common hypotenuse. And BE is equal to CF given. Therefore, triangle BEC is congruent to triangle CFB by RHS congruence rule. This triangle BEC and B and CFB are congruent. Therefore, angle BCE is equal to angle CBF. by CPCT. This angle BCE, we can write angle BCA, and this angle CBF, we can write angle CBA. This angle BCA and this angle CBA equal in triangle ABC. So this implies AB is equal to AC, because sides opposite to equal angles are equal, and therefore triangle ABC is isosceles. Hence proved. Now question number 5. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC, and AP is drawn perpendicular to BC. Then so that angle B is equal to angle C. AP is drawn perpendicular to BC. So in triangle ABP and triangle ACP, we have angle APB is equal to angle APC, 90 degree each, because AP is perpendicular to BC. So both APB and APC are 90 degree each. AB is given equal to AC. So they are equal hypotenuse, and AP is equal to AP common side, and therefore triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by RHS congruence rule, and therefore angle B is equal to angle C, because they are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hence proved.